Hi, I'm Nadirah, the captain of JWSS School Floorball Girls.
And I'm Siti, the vice captain.
Today we're going to show you what a normal training will look like.
Let's check it out.
We usually start with a simple warm-up, followed by some stretching. Then, we will do some individual drills, such as dribbling on the spot. After completing those, we will proceed to do some team drills that will improve our game sense and reaction time. After that, we will do some physical training. Afterwards, we will play matches, which will also improve our game sense and ensure that we are well equipped for any competitions.
We usually train on Wednesdays at a multi-purpose indoor court located on level 3 from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. and on Fridays at the indoor sports hall from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. We will compete in 2 major competitions, which are the C and B Division games. Aside from that, we will also compete in the plate and bowls. Over here, we don't only play floorball, we also do several activities such as VIAs and our annual camp where we enhance our leadership skills, build a stronger bond together with our teammates, and of course, have fun with each other.
If you're interested in activities shown and want to know more about CCA,